It was a secret audition, secret project, and we had no idea na for a group pala talaga siya kasi most of us nag-audition for PBB, di ba, reality show. So, unexpected pero parang, ano na din, naging isang pangarap na din siya for us.
You were not part of Gina, what were you doing?
Tapos na po ako mag-aral and siguro nagtatrabaho na ako sa gusto kong trabaho.
So, yun, graduating. And yung course kung gusto ko rin is flight attendant before. Nagbago lang siya ngayon. So, baka flight attendant before.
Ay, nag-aaral pa rin. Tapos medtech, like my friends. Kasi ako na lang yung hindi natin medtech.
Your friendship goals. Squad goals. Ako naman kung hindi ako dini, siguro pinirso ko na yung dream ko na maging reporter. Wow!
Ako siguro nag-aaral pa rin and choir member pa rin. Either naglo-law or nag-business.
Wala, hindi na nag-put na ako ng volleyball.
Sorry.
Ako naman, siguro nag-aaral pa rin ngayon, mga 4th year college na gano'n. Flight attendant.
Ako, baka graduate na sana ako ngayon. And then, I may be doing business or not still be in the industry but working in the camera.
When did you start in
We started May 17, 2019. Hindi ko siya makakalimutan kasi it's a core memory for me and for us kasi doon kami first time magsama-sama sa isang bahay and doon na-test talaga yung friendship namin and yung bond namin together. We lived for how many years and I think naging maganda yung relationship namin.
What was the most painful part of your growing up years?
I think the most painful part ay yung maging away kami from our family kasi syempre first time namin maging independent individually. And ayun, lalo pat galing kami sa mga probinsya, mga proudly girls kami, so mahirap for us na kapag papatravel pa namin yung magulang namin to visit, gano'n. So parang nakakauwi na lang kami kapag holidays, gano'n. And also nung pandemic kasi yun talaga walang uwian. Pero nairaos naman namin siya.
Yes, and then kami din, we wake up to work in, we have performances, and minsan mahirap din siya kasi we have to be famous, especially for me.
Was there a painful
For us girls, it depends sa level ng sakit ng mens. Kasi minsan naman kapag bearable, kaya naman namin mag-training pa rin, may limit lang yung sakit dahil may work. Pero kapag sobrang sakit na nag-voice out naman kami na hindi talaga namin kaya mag-work or mag-training.
As a young girl, how did you manage career things?
As a young girl, I think we managed period pain by hot compress. Tapos yung tinuro ni Chi sa amin, yung itataas mo yung legs.
Oh,
Yung sa wall.